Everything you want as a creator comes from making the best videos possible. And thumbnails. And thumbnails.
Did you hear what Mr. Beast said? Best videos possible. And thumbnails. Thumbnails. So today's video I will show you how to make a good thumbnail for your YouTube videos. To make a good thumbnail you need to make it noticeable, so that people can see your thumbnail among these millions of videos on YouTube. So you need to make it with strong noticeable colors to make people see it. The second thing is to make it engaging so people click on it. Some factors that make it engaging are showing your handsome face, making clear what the views will see in your video, and the title of the video should be matching. You can make thumbnail using ASNY software, but today we will make it using Photoshop. First you need to get a photo of your face for the video. The best thing is to use your face. But if you are like me making a tutorial without showing your face, you will have to use Google. So let's search for a handsome guy to use his photo. Now we found this guy. Select the photo you want and download it. It's better to be a PNG, but if not, no problem. Now open Photoshop and click on File. Make a new project with 1920 to 1080 landscape. Click on Create. Now we have our shiny white background. Select the photos you download and drag them to the app. If the photo is a PNG, that's as good. If it's not, you will have to cut the face. You can do that using the magic eraser tool that will remove the background, or with the pen tool and make a selection and delete it. I won't show that now. We are lucky to have our PNG face. Now we need a background with some beautiful colors. I will download some from Google and list them on the project and see what is the best one to work with. Now we want to add text. Go to the text tool and select the size from above and the color. Now type your text. I prefer typing each word alone so you have full control for every one. You have to remember this shortcut, which is Ctrl T. That is transform. You will see that a lot. To choose a good color for the text you have to make it contrasting with the background. You see this color wheel. Each two opposing colors are matching with each other, so when you mix them they will be clear to the eye. White and black match with almost every color, so you can use them whenever you want. Now we want to make our text fancy. Select the text layer. Right-click on it and select the blending options. It will open this windows. First go to the Drop Shadow tab. Enable it and start adjusting the properties of the shadow. I like to change she spread and the position of the shadow. On all the CC coming parameters you will have to use your sensation to make it look good. So you decide what to do with the levels of the effects. Then add some outer glow and stroke. Make the stroke this so it only detects the text. You can add some inner shadow if you want. Now I will change the whole color of the text by adding gradient overlay. Click on the gradients and you will see a lot of patterns. You can choose what you want and you can download pre-made patterns or make a custom PT turn. I will use this orange-yellow-orange pattern. Now I will adjust a little on the outer glow so it doesn't eat the text. Now we are done with the first text. You want to add that to the next text without doing Alt again. On the bottom right side you will see this Efi box. Hold Alt on your keyboard and drag the effects to the other text. No magic, all the effects are copied to the other text. Now as you see I don't think this background is that good, so I will edit another one that contrasts with the text. This space one looks so much better. As you can see here the rock looks like he is not part of the photo, so we will make some color adjustment. Select our man and you can see above the adjustment tab. Pick brightness and contrast. I will decrease the brightness and increase the contrast. Now this looks much better. I will add some stroke to the face too and some glow. Now the background is taking much focus and we don't want that, so select the background and go to filters. Select blur, then box blur and hit OK. Now we need to fill this empty space, so I will get the Photoshop logo and use it and add some stroke and glow to it too. I will rotate it a little. Now we got a good thumbnail. What is left is just soap and preferences, so I will make these final touches faster and you will see the final result. Now we have our thumbnail. As you can see, it looks good. So that was today's video. I hope it was helpful. If you want other videos like this, like making the same thing but with your phone, I can make that. Just tell me in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.